find the equation of the line given x and y intercepts. So we are going to use the intercept form wherein we have x over a plus y over b is equal to 1. Where a is our x-intercept and b is our y-intercept. So let's say for number 1, we have y-intercept of negative 3 and x-intercept of 2. So we are going to rewrite the intercept form x over a plus y over b is equal to 1. At isubstitute lang natin yung a and b natin dun sa ating intercept form, ito ay magiging x over 2 since our value of a is equal to 2 plus y over b which is negative 3 is equal to 1. So after nito, after natin mag-substitute ng mga given, para makuha natin yung pinakang equation of the line, una, i-rewrite muna natin to. X over 2 plus y over negative 3 is equal to 1. And then, yung ating denominator na 2 and negative 3, kailangan natin silang i-multiply to both sides of the equation. So, wag muna natin silang pagsamahin. Wag muna natin kunin yung kanilang product. Ganito yung gawin natin. 2 and negative 3. So, sa kabila din, we have 2 and negative 3. Ayan. If we multiply this 2 and negative 3 to x, we can cancel 2. So, ang matitira na lang dito ay negative 3 and x. So, plus 2 and negative 3, pag na-multiply natin sa y over negative 3, automatic cancel na natin sa negative 3. So, ang matitira sa kanya ay 2y equals 2 and negative 3 multiply by 1. The answer there will be 2 and negative 3. At sa pagkakataon na to, pwede na nating i-simplify yung mga may parentheses. So, negative 3 times x, we have negative 3x. Plus 2 times y, we have 2y is equal to 2 times negative 3. We have negative 6. At kung iaayos natin yung ating equation in standard form, alam natin na yung ating x dito is negative. So, pwede naman natin siyang gawing positive. So, yung negative na yan, imumultiply lang natin sila, both side of the equation by negative 1. And then, negative 1 times negative 3x, we have positive 3x. And negative 1 times positive 2y, we have negative 2y. Equals negative 6 times negative 1, we have positive 6. And this will be our standard form of the equation of the line given the x-intercept 2 and y-intercept negative 3. So let's have another example. A is equal to 4 and b is equal to negative 2. Instead of using the intercept form, we will use the bx plus ay equals ab. And alam natin na yung ating value ng b is negative 2. So, ipalit lang natin dito. Negative 2x plus our value of a is 4. And then y equals our a is 4 and our b is negative 2. And then, yung may mga parentheses, simplify natin. We have negative 2x plus 4y equals 4 times negative 2. We have negative 8. At alam natin na yung x natin is negative. Para mas magandang tingnan kasi, kaya natin sila ginagawang positive. So, let's multiply both sides of the equation by negative 1. So, negative 1 times negative 2, we have positive 2x. Negative 1 times positive 4y, we have negative 4y. Equals negative 8 times negative 1, we have positive 8. And this will be our equation of the line from the x-intercept 4 and y-intercept negative 2. Ang equation of the line na nakuha natin ay 2x minus 4y equals 8 in standard form. And that is how you get the equation of the line given the x and y intercept.